How to craft silk in Terraria. So step 1 is gathering the raw material, which is cobwebs. So you basically need 7 cobwebs to make a single piece of silk. So the best place to find these in bulk is underground in spider caves, just like this. So as you can see, there are tons of cobwebs like that. You just basically swing your sword to harvest them. And from that single cave, so we now have 100 of those cobwebs. Now you cannot craft silk at a workbench. So you basically need a loom just like this. So this is where most players get stuck because you have to craft a sawmill first. And to make a sawmill, you just basically need some wood, iron or lead bars, and a chain, which is crafted from an iron bar at an anvil like this. And once you have the sawmill placed, then you could use it to craft the loom that we have right here. Now once you have the loom down, just basically stand next to it. And from the crafting recipes or menu, you will see the option to create silk, which requires 7 cobwebs, as you can see right there. So you will need a lot of this since silk is the main ingredient for the bed, which is the only way to change your spawn point. So you need 5 silk, that's basically 35 cobwebs and 15 wood to make one. So I suggest that you start farming early, and that is how you basically craft silk in Terraria.